Hello everyone. In our previous lecture, we have discussed that matter can be changed from one state to another and how these state changes take place. Today, we will learn how these changes can be represented graphically and importance of boiling and melting point. We have seen solid can be changed into liquid by providing heat, and this process is called melting. We know that melting point of water means in solid state is 0 degree centigrade, and melting does not start below a definite temperature which is called melting point. Below melting point there is no melting, and above of it rate of melting increases. As we see, ice does not melt in refrigerator because temperature in refrigerator is less than its melting point, which is 0 degree centigrade. If temperature is greater than, it will melt very sharply. Look at this graph. It shows how the temperature changes as block of ice is steadily heated. First, ice melt into water, then water gets warmer and warmer and eventually turns into steam. This kind of graph is known as heating curve of water. According to that graph, we have frozen ice at minus 25 degree centigrade. Temperature is being expressed at y-axis. As this temperature is less than melting point of ice, so below 0 degree centigrade, there will be no melting at all. But when we give heat to system, its temperature will start increasing. At melting point means at 0 degree centigrade, it will start melting. You can see at melting point temperature of system does not increase, means at 0 degree centigrade solid ice will start changing in liquid water, and temperature will not increase whether we are providing heat, because at the melting point and boiling points changing state not in at the extra energy is used in changing state, not increasing the temperature. When the ice will melt again, will completely melt, means it is totally changed into liquid. Now the temperature will start rising again as we reach the boiling point of water, which is 100 degree centigrade. At 100 degree centigrade, liquid will start turn into steam, which is a gas. First, ice which was a solid have changed into liquid, which was a liquid, and now liquid water is turning into steam. The temperature of system will not increase once again, and you can see in front of 0 degree centigrade the graph is totally straight, which means that temperature is not increasing. But after some time the graph of temperature starts rising again. This is because the temperature of system will not increase once again, and the extra energy is used in changing state from one state to another, means from liquid to gas at its boiling point. What is the importance of melting and boiling point? Pure substances have sharp melting and boiling points, means they will melt or boil at fixed and constant temperature. For example, the melting and boiling point of water is 100 degree centigrade or 100 degree centigrade and 0 degree centigrade. If the melting of water starts at 0 and boiling of water starts at 100 degree, then the water is pure. Otherwise, it is impure and contain some impurities. Let's discuss what are the effects of impurities on melting and boiling point. Presence of impurities increase the boiling point, means water will boil above 100 degrees centigrade, while lowers the melting point, means water will melt below 0 degree centigrade. This is enough for today. In our next lecture, we will see what kind of what kind of effect and properties gas have, like gas pressure and diffusion.